Hey, what's going on, guys? In this video we are going to take a look at logical operators in Java programming. First I'm going to introduce some integer type of variables. Let's put integer, boy and a girl, and here I'm going to create a website. It will just allow between certain age gap. So let's set the age gap. So let's say boy is 18. Let's give a boy 18-year-old and a girl, boy is equal to 18-year-old, and the girl is 68-year-old. And here we are going to use the if statement to set the condition. If statement, there are two types of logical operators. One is AND and the other one is OR. Now let's see both of them. First we are going to take a look at AND. So boy, if the boy is greater than 10, and to put AND we have to put double ampersand sign, and the girl is less than 60, girl is less than 60, then they are allowed to enter this website. Then you can enter. So here we are going to set the display statement, printout statement, that is this system.out print line. In this one we are going to say you can enter. You can enter. And else, if the condition is not satisfied, else statement, here we are going to say you cannot enter. You cannot enter. Okay, so here you can see let's see whether these two conditions, because even one of them is not satisfied, it will go to else, because if it's an AND or logic operators, both has to be satisfied in order to print the first one, otherwise it will go to else. But if it's OR, just one of them has to be satisfied in order to print the first one. If both of them are not satisfied, then it will go to the second one. Now let's look at this one. Boy is 18 is greater than 10, so this condition is satisfied. But if you look at this one, girl should be less than 60, but here we have a girl 68, so one of the condition is failed. So if one of them is failed, the first one cannot print, so it will go to the second one, else statement. Now let's go ahead and try this one. So here you can see it will go to you cannot enter, but if you enter a girl age less than 60, it will print out the first one, you can enter. Let's put the girl's age 50 something, 50, and now if you try, it will say you can enter, because both of the conditions are satisfied. The boy's age is greater than 10 and also the girl age is less than 60. If both of them are satisfied, it's go to the first one. If both of them if one of them is not satisfied, it will go to the second one. Now let's look at the OR. For OR, same as AND, we had to put a pipeline. We had to put double pipeline. The double pipeline will look like this. Okay, let me put it right here. So for this one, if one of them is satisfied, it will print the first one. It doesn't matter which one. If this one is satisfied and this one is not satisfied, it will still print the first one because it's OR. Now let's go ahead and try this one. This should print the first one because both of them are satisfied, and even one of them is satisfied, still it will say you can enter. Let's say 68 as we've seen before. If it's AND, it will not print the first one, but if it's OR, it will print first one because this one is satisfied, this one is not satisfied, but we just need one in order to print the first one. Okay, so if you try this one, it is still saying you can enter, but if both of them are not satisfied, then it will go to else. So let's here you can see boy is 18 and the girl is 50, so both of them are satisfied here. But if I put girl like let's say 70, that is above 68, and let's put the boy below 10, let's put the boy like 9. So now both of them are not satisfied, then it should print else. It should print you cannot enter in the else statement. And that's the basic stuff about logical operators in Java programming. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching. And if you are trying to learn Java programming, there are a bunch of videos in my playlist. I hope you guys watch that too. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.